Are you wondering what makes a man want to kiss a woman? Whether you're looking to up your dating game or simply curious about the dynamic of attraction, this video is for you. We'll explore the factors that can create a strong desire for physical intimacy that can make a man want to kiss a woman. There are many things that can make a man want to kiss a woman, including Number 1. Physical attraction. Physical attraction is often the initial spark that draws two people together, and it can certainly make a man want to kiss a woman. Number 2. Chemistry. Chemistry is a combination of physical attraction and emotional connection that can make a man feel drawn to a woman on a deeper level. Number 3. Sense of humor. A woman with a good sense of humor can be incredibly attractive to a man and make him feel comfortable and at ease. Number 4. Confidence. A confident woman who knows what she wants and isn't afraid to get after it can be very appealing to a man. Number 5. Flirting. Flirting can be a fun and playful way to create tension and attraction between two people and can make a man want to kiss a woman. Number 6. Eye contact. Strong eye contact can be a powerful tool for creating intimacy and attraction between two people. Number 7. Touch. A gentle touch on the arm or hand can create a connection and make a man feel more comfortable and attracted to a woman. While the factors we've discussed can certainly contribute to a man's desire to kiss a woman, it's important to remember that every person and every situation is unique. Attraction is a complex phenomenon, and what makes one person want to kiss someone may not have the same effects on someone else. Ultimately, understanding what makes a man want to kiss a woman is about being attuned to the individual and the dynamics between you and allowing the chemistry to develop naturally. By focusing on building a strong emotional connection and being true to yourself, you can create an environment that fosters attraction and sets the stage for a truly memorable and fulfilling experience.